Let's get to that union dues Supreme Court case. Labour unions suffered a hit when the Supreme Court said unions could not force non-members to pay dues. Now, the people who did pay all that money, they want the money back. Joining us, the man who won the case, Liberty Justice Centre Senior Fellow Mark Janus. Mark, you want your money back. You paid the dues. You want the money back. But I have to put it to you, you did get some benefits for the collective bargaining that was done in your name, didn't you? Don't you owe them something?
Well, we did, but it was a coerced fee that we had to pay. And when I asked for the ruling, it was because I didn't want to pay these mandatory fees and these mandatory dues, that I had no choice in the matter, which is why I brought the case and why we went to the Supreme Court. Okay, now other people, I believe, are joining you in this suit. And who are you? Which court are you going to? Well, that's up to the individual states. In California, there's approximately 30,000 that are looking at that as a potential class action. And there are other individual cases across the country. There was a recent case in Oregon where a lady won her case, or actually they settled it with SEIU, and she's going to get her funds back. So it varies from state to state, and it depends on the individual.
You got the unions really worried if they have to fork over the money back to you. But by the way, are you just looking for the money that you paid in to get that money back, or are you looking for some kind of damages or punitive action of any kind?
Well, no. I mean, what I'm looking for is when I filed the case back in 2015, I'm just looking for the period from that filing date forward, because in my filing I said they should not be collecting the dues. And so that's all I'm looking for in that right. And, of course, my attorneys, they filed that and put that into the original filing.
Are you going to fight? Are the unions going to fight this?
Well, I think that's up to the individual unions. I think some will. But whether, they actually, how far it will go, that's up to the unions and how much money they want to spend to fight it.
When that original ruling came down from the Supreme Court, you and your attorney, you must have gotten a lot of heat from the unions. Tell us about it.
Well, yeah, we got a lot of heat, but the reason I'm now with the Liberty Justice Center, and what we're fighting for now is we're finding the unions are doing a lot of pushback, and they're preventing people from getting out of the union, which goes against the ruling. We've got unions that are posting people that have opted out on their Facebook page trying to shame them. We had a lady in Oregon that wanted to get out, and the union is saying, no, you've got to wait till next November of 19. We have all kinds of people that are contacting Liberty Justice saying, look, I want to exercise my rights, but the unions won't allow it, and they're continuing to pay dues. You've also got some states that are putting it into state law, like Hawaii is looking at trying to pay the union dues directly, bypassing the individuals. And my question is, as a taxpayer, would you want to pay money to a union, and bypass the individual members? I don't know if it's taxpayer money or not, but it sure sounds like it. At the end of the day,
do you want to get rid of unions or just reform their
Absolutely not.
structure?
No, unions have a place, and I've said all along that unions have a place in this country in the history and what is needed for workers. What I'm only saying is that if you want to become a member of the union, you should have the ability to voluntarily, in order to join that union, sign the pledge card. God bless you if you want to. But don't force people that don't want to pay a fee for what they call alleged collective bargaining rights. And we've got some anecdotal evidence that says that unions only, what they actually spend on collective bargaining is only about 20% of what they collect. So my question is, where's the other 80% go? And that's part of what we haven't been able to find out, because they don't provide real good, solid figures as to where that money is actually going.
That's fascinating stuff. Mark, thanks for joining us, sir. Come back again. I want to see how this goes.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.